Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Hadidi Makeovers. So if you're new here, you're welcome to the family, and please don't forget to subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So for today we are going to be tying the Ankara mixed with raw silk turban tutorial. This is the Eid series, guys. I'm going to be doing all the week. I'm not going to be for the whole Ramadan. I'm going to be starting only turban tutorials, just to guide you through what you tie during the Eid celebration and all that. So from this week to after Ramadan, I'm going to be doing only turban tutorials for Tuesdays and Thursdays. And yeah, let's get started and jump right into the video. So starting off, I'm going to be using this Dupion raw silk, the white Dupion raw silk. This raw silk is available at my studio. I do sell different colors, different types. You just say the one you want and I'll definitely deliver to wherever you are. So starting off, I'm going to be placing this raw silk. Is a 70-30 part raw silk. That means one is longer than the other one. So yeah, I just pleated it and placed it on her head. Placed it on her head and then pleated. Then passed the shorter hand on top of the longer hand. That's from behind. And then I'm going to be using the Ankara now. The Ankara is folded in a triangular shape, and then I'll place that from the back of her head and then do a 70-32 with the Ankara. So I'm going to be placing the shorter hand just roughly. I'm going to pleat that out and then bring the longer hand on top of the shorter hand again. Here, since it's going to be from the front, can you see that I'm going to be asking her to hold down the shorter hand of the Ankara and then flipping the other one to the back. Then I'll be flipping the longer one like this to the back. And the reason why I made this longer is because I know I'm going to be using the longer part of the Ankara to do maybe a design from the side. I can make ruffles with the remnants or anything I want with it. That is why I wanted one side to be fuller than the other side. So you can also make your own a 50-50 part Ankara as far as you want it to be. Anyhow you want it to be, just make sure your pleats are neat. That is just it, guys. So after I'm done with the Ankara, like tying it at the back, I'm going to bring the longer hand of the raw silk. I'll place it on top of the Ankara again, making a rough pleat, not really neat like that. I just want to place something there. You can make it high, you can make your raw silk high up, but I know I'm going to be doing something again with the Ankara and I don't want the turban to be looking too big. That is why I just placed it a little bit lower. I pressed down the raw silk down a little bit lower so that it doesn't look too big. I hope you guys get what I'm saying. So yeah, that's it. I'm going to be tying it at the back. I'll be asking my model to turn so that you guys can see, have a visual of what I'm doing behind the head. So after that, I just tied the back of the raw silk. I'm going to be bringing the upper part of the Ankara like this. So as you can see, I just tucked in the Ankara, the raw silk, and then placing the Ankara on top. I'm just going to be pinning that down, and you want to make sure your pin is very secured. If it's not secured, it's going to pull off, so you have to be careful with that, and making sure the label of your Ankara is hidden, the sewing and all that. You just want the pattern to show, and that's what we need. So guys, as you can see, if you guys still like the idea of me doing the Eid Turban series, if you're welcoming that idea, you guys just mention it in the comment section and I'll be very glad to just keep up with it. If you still want the makeup tutorials, I can also do that. So yeah, I'm going to be pinning down the Ankara very well so that it stays secured and it doesn't go off, maybe if she's already if you are done with the hair tie. I'm going to be making sure I secure the back very well. I did not show you how I was securing the back, but after we are done with the tying, she's going to be turning around so that you guys will see how we did the back of the turban. But I know you guys have been saying maybe the back of the turban is not neat and all that. Is up to you to do whatever it is you want at the back of your turban. So guys, I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Yeah, I'm just going to be securing that simply. I want to make sure the pin is secure. So guys, if you do, I'm going to be asking her to turn around now so that you can see the back of the turban. If you do love this turban, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and also comment. This is Hadidi Makeovers. Once again, I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys next week for another turban tutorial. That's if you guys have accepted my request. And yeah, I'll see you next week. Bye.